Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are starting my Mother's Day themed recipes this year. I'm so excited. We are starting off with a floral bundt cake. So floral cakes have been all over Pinterest lately and I think they're so beautiful. This one is actually really easy to make because it doesn't involve layering a cake and it doesn't involve kind of buttercream piping techniques to actually make the flowers. This is really easy, so even if you're a beginner, you can totally do it. So let's get started. Okay, so first to bake the cake, you want to place some flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl and mix together. Then add some milk, vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and vanilla extract and mix in an electric mixer until combined. Slowly add some boiling water and mix until well combined. Then grease and flour a bundt cake pan and pour the batter into the pan. So I am using an Angel Food cake pan because I realized I don't have a bundt cake pan. The only difference is that the shape is slightly, it has edges versus a bundt cake pan, which is a little bit more rounded. You'll see later in the video that I trim it to make it look more rounded. So if you have either of those pans, it will work, don't worry. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until the skewer inserted into the center comes out clean, then cool completely. To make the buttercream, beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. Add some vanilla extract and confectioner sugar, 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition. And all the quantities will be listed in the description box down below, so don't worry about trying to write anything down. Divide the buttercream into 5 bowls, placing only half a cup of buttercream into the 5th bowl. Then you want to dye that 5th bowl of buttercream green and pop it into a piping bag fitted with a leaf piping tip. Leave one of the remaining larger bowls white and dye the other bowls different shades of purple using pink and blue food coloring. And if you don't like purple, you can use any color that you like. So for a more pinky purple color, you want to use more pink food coloring, and for kind of like a deeper purple color, just use a bit more blue food coloring. Then place the white and 3 purple buttercreams into piping bags fitted with Russian flower piping tips, which I will have linked down below, as well as the leaf piping tip, so you are all covered there. Working with walnut colored flour at a time, pipe clusters of flowers onto the cake and gradually cover the entire cake in flowers. Pipe green leaves between any visible gaps between the flowers, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you have requests for other Mother's Day themed recipes, leave in the comments down below. And if you see any recipes that you like, give them a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to swap those out for some that I've already planned. I'm currently filming them, but yeah, if I see something that I feel like gets really popular, I will absolutely make it for you guys. I also want to thank you so much to everybody who wrote really sweet comments on this most recent weekly vlog. It was really scary for me to talk about what I talked about in that vlog online. So yeah, I don't regret uploading it, which is a nice feeling to have. So thank you so much. You guys are so sweet, and there is like more positive news to come in the following vlog, so don't worry. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday for another weekly vlog.